Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Nissan Pathfinder key fob. First, gather all existing key fobs for your vehicle. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged for a smooth process. Also, familiarize yourself with the ignition and door lock mechanisms. Having everything ready beforehand will make the programming steps much easier and quicker to complete. To begin, sit in the driver's seat and ensure all doors are securely closed. Now, insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it 6 times within a 10-second period. Don't turn the key, just insert and remove. Your hazard lights will flash twice, confirming the vehicle has entered programming mode. This indicates you're ready for the next step. Once in programming mode, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the ACC position. Immediately press any button on the key fob you wish to program. You should hear the doors lock and unlock, confirming it's programmed. Repeat this exact step for any additional key fobs you have, one by one. This ensures all your fobs are recognized. To exit programming mode, simply remove the key from the ignition. The hazard lights will flash again, signaling the process is complete. Now, test each programmed key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking doors, work correctly. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the process. Also, check the description for the link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.